Hi, my name is Mackenzie.
And I'm Sienna, and we work for an NGO called Brewed Awakenings.
We're going to show you the side of coffee that you don't see. Coffee should be continued to be sold, but there definitely needs to be major changes in the production process.
What does the #1 hot drink do to the world? Well, that's what we are about to tell you. Coffee is both a big need and want in the world. Worldwide, more than 140 million cups of coffee are consumed every day. It is a big need because an estimated 20 million people support their families by working in the coffee industry. You may not be a coffee consumer, but there are many other people in the extraction, production, and distribution process that need this commodity.
Coffee strongly affects the rainforest ecosystem, especially when you produce sun-grown coffee. When sun-grown coffee is produced, you cut down many trees, which takes away a wide range of animals and their homes.
There is more than one way to grow coffee. The best alternative is to produce shade-grown coffee, which would reduce the amount of trees being cut down in the rainforest. Can you believe that 85% of fair trade coffee is organic? It sounds like a lot, but that's 15% can make major damage in the rainforest.
Why do we need to save the rainforest? Because we need to save those animals that depend and need that ecosystem. Imagine taking a leg off a 4-legged chair and expecting it to hold your weight. Look at this food chain. Take away the trees. What will happen? All will decrease. One.
Brazil is the top coffee producer, producing 32% of the world's coffee. Norway is the top coffee consumer, consuming 10.7 kilograms per person per year. Look at Brazil, then Norway, complete different environments. Notice that all the top coffee consumers are in cold European countries.
Imagine working incredibly hard for something and not getting a fair amount for all the work you did. What if you only got 2 to 4% of the retail price of the product you produced? Only 25 countries throughout Latin America, Asia, and Africa produce fair trade coffee. That is less than half the world.
Now you know that there is a conflict, but how are we resolving it? Fact is that there are lots of ways to fix this issue. By just simply telling companies that you want fair trade coffee can change a lot. Truth is, consumers are not doing enough. Only 13% of the world's coffee is Rainforest Line certified. When coffee is not certified, streams are clogged with silt and agrochemicals, wildlife disappears, and soil is washed downhill. But there is another option. With shade-grown coffee, you don't need to cut down trees or majorly change ecosystems.
85% of fair trade coffee is organic. Why use chemicals when birds are natural pesticides? You are not only feeding birds, you are keeping your consumers safe and away from chemicals.
After learning all those facts, don't you agree with us when we say that coffee should be continued to be distributed and consumed, but there needs to be major changes in the production process? I hope you choose to take action on this issue. Bibliography.
Picture bibliography.